Okay, we have here a 6" by 6" by 4" gray plastic box appropriate for electrical. It's got the weatherproof seal there. And what I did was on the bottom and the top, I drilled holes with a 1" drill bit, spade bit, that would take a 3/4" conduit adapter. And I've just got that literally threaded on through the hole that I made. I didn't have any, but what I would do is then put a conduit nut like this on the inside. Over here, I drilled a 3/4" hole, and then I used a 1/2" watertight compression fitting. So the drop cable from for the Enphase comes through here and on inside, and we've got our hot ground and neutral. So from uphill of the roof, I'll have the conduit come in. This would be the middle box, so this would be the junction between the two strings, and connect it up with this, and then down through the bottom here to the bottom box. Of course, this will need to get PVC cemented in there, but that's my general thought. So here is a sample of the Iron Ridge XR100 racking, and this does exactly fit, where if this is on here, we'll turn it. I should be able to use self-tapping sheet metal screws to go right through from the inside of the box and then bolt it right onto the Iron Ridge racking, and there's still space between the box and the roof, so I should be able to mount that up there. That's my plan anyways.